One of the things I get excited about working with new customers is teaching them how to look into the future and use their oil analysis data and trending to predict out what their oil life is going to be and what the life of the turbine looks like as a consequence. All too often, the response I'm getting right now is that users are not aware of what's happening even one day in the future in their lubricant or in their turbine. And this is an opportunity for great optimization. The first problem that prevents you from seeing into the future is a grossly inadequate oil analysis program that doesn't do the right tests at the right time and robs you of the most important data that you could ever have to manage your turbine. So moving back, grounding that program out so that you're doing the right tests at the right time is going to completely transform your program so you can see into the future. And in most cases, it's a future you're not going to like. It's going to be a future where you go, what can I do now to change that future? And it's going to be then looking at your maintenance program, which all too often is focused on less than 5% of the contamination in your system. And it's really going to turn that upside down to say, well, what is the root cause of oil failure in my system, which is inadvertently also causing mechanical failure? And what can we do to get ahead of that? Right now, most users are only managing the dirt and the water contamination that's in their system. Once you have rounded out and implemented an oil analysis program to give you the data to see into the future, you can implement a more proactive maintenance strategy to manage the chemistry of those fluids moving forward. That is the 1-2 punch that will completely change the game for you in your role.